Okay, so we are live, and I would really like to apologize to you all people. We were supposed to have this live chat with Naira yesterday, but due to some reason, it was not possible that the live chat can happen yesterday. So here we are, and I just hope that all the questions you people thought that you'll be asking Naira, during the live chat, you just pour in the question, and I promise that I'm going to make Naira to answer all the questions. So just let me know if Naira has sent the join message. Okay, she hasn't sent till now. Yeah, so just pour in the question. Hope you people are doing well in this quarantine. Okay, Avika has said that Naira should say her name. And I want to say that one thing, you people, a lot of people do post. Okay, I think Naira has joined. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Yeah, she'll be joining in just, I think, 5 to 6 seconds. Just wait for that.
Hello.
Hi, Naira.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so of
I
course
was
the
hearing
this
some
live.
conversation about me. Somebody said something that
Okay.
I should be doing something. What was that?
Yeah, so basically, when we have this live chat sessions, a lot of people, actually request that please say, so and so to take my name. So I was just telling them it's not possible always for a celebrity to take all the names. So
Yeah.
actually, that I was telling to this fan. So
We
first of all,
actually
yes.
say hi to a lot of people
Huh.
when we see, and then we say hi and stuff.
Right.
Also, I usually go live after I'm done with a live session. I always go live after that, post that, and I talk to
Oh.
people. So I don't think they should be complaining.
Okay, so Naira, first of all, thank you. I know this live chat was supposed to happen yesterday, but for
Yeah.
some reason it didn't happen. But it's happening today, so that's great. So, first of all, tell me, how's you? You're looking great as usual, but how are you keeping your sanity and in this quarantine thing?
So I wake up at 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock. I sleep at 1:30 or 2:30, or sometimes 3. Um, Earlier, when the lockdown started, I was on a schedule that I have to make these kind of movies, or I have to do these kind of photo shoots, or these are the kind of recipes I want to try out. I made a new YouTube channel where I post my videos,
Okay.
and also there are a lot of other things which I wanted to try out. My mom writes diaries, so I would recite that, I would record that, or I would sing something whichever touches my mind. This month was very difficult month
Hmm.
because I had my granddad's death anniversary, my dad's death anniversary, then the lockdown, then so many eminent personalities.
Right.
We got news of certain people who are not with us anymore, and this month has been very difficult. But I try to make a schedule. Now I'm at ease. Now I'm somebody who is not waking up early, who is not doing stuff. I'm just taking it easy because I've gotten lazy. My first 20 days went in sanitizing and cleaning the entire house, arranging the house.
Right.
Then I started having the schedule that I want to make this, I want to sing this, I want to do this, I want to do that. I made a short film on domestic violence. Got a lot of
Yeah. Yeah.
certification for that. And now, from past 1 week, I'm completely at ease. I'm waking up around 6. I'm chilling. If I want to cook, I'll cook. Okay. Otherwise, I'm just lazing around. But yeah, I have it in my mind that I need to get a little strict again, because once the lockdown lifts, I know that we will have to be on our foot and again start. You know,
Right.
this is going to be the new normal, so rather get used to the new normal.
Right.
And you know, I've also realized that if I did not have a discipline, I cannot give this excuse because we were forced to stay at home and do things which we always wanted to do. A lot of people have uh, gotten disciplined. A lot of people have completely gone overboard and uh, forgotten the way of life. But I think I should make a timetable, a schedule, and so that I give time to everything. I've been thinking about this for past 1.5 weeks, but I'm still being lazy. And there are a lot of books I want to complete.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that.
Right, right. But Naira, you also know that since you have also said, there are times when because definitely things once this lockdown is over, it is definitely not going to be same in many ways. So, any word of advice or anything which you want to say to the viewers of Glitzfish in USA and your fans, to not to panic about things. So, anything which you want to say.
See, we all know for a fact this is pandemic. The whole world has come to a standstill, and yet a
Right.
lot of countries have lifted the lockdown because they are doing better than us right now.
Right.
Plus, they have understood that we have to live with the coronavirus. We are going to have a lot of limitations, a lot of delay. People like us from the entertainment business are the affected most because I
Right.
cannot go out and act somewhere, but a singer can probably record music at their own house and
Hmm.
do stuff. But what do we do? How are we going to be employed? So
Right.
a lot of people are working from home. A lot of people are being laying off. A lot of unemployment has come in place. So this is the time where you have to think what could be your alternative, what could be the backup, and this whole post vacation was given to you by divine, I
Right.
guess, to understand what is your caliber apart from what you're doing. What are the other ways of
Mm-hmm.
making money? What are the other ways of survival? I think my inclination towards spirituality is there. Maybe I could, do something like work from home. Maybe I still have to figure out. You know, so this whole period has given us a lot of time to understand what we really want in from
Right.
life, what type of people we want in our life,
Hmm.
uh, whether people around you are helping you grow, and vice versa. The job which you dreamt of, which you are working for,
Right.
is it gonna make you stable? See, everybody will want to go back on the roads. Everybody will try what they had to try because that's the method they know. That's the method they used earlier. At the end, you have to earn money. At the end, you have to fill your stomachs.
Hmm.
But now you also have to think intelligently so that you do not get
Right.
infected, so that you do not spread the virus and be the reason of other people's death. And you really have to sit down and figure out about life and
Right. Right.
take a
Right.
practical approach towards it.
Okay. Okay, Naira, we have seen you, when you just did a short film, okay, and I've heard a lot of good things about you. You have already been part of TV shows, you've already been part of web series and, films. So, as an actor, what is something which you are really looking forward? If given upon a chance, you really want to try out this specific, medium again, or you want to try out this specific character or genre again. Is there anything on your mind?
See, I had these ambitions before lockdown. I took up
Hmm.
Dividishti for one reason, being the genre, something I'd never done, and I don't think in India
Right.
nobody used this telekinesis
Hmm.
and clairvoyance and all.
Hmm.
And I was told that it's a 6 month show.
Yeah.
Never knew that would gain me so much popularity and so much love. But
Right.
thankfully, I took the right decision, and I say there are people who has backed my decision. It was because of them I took this up. I thought it's a 6 month thing because I come from the background of movies and web series.
Hmm.
This was my
Hmm.
first TV show. I never in my life thought that
Right.
I'd do a
Right.
TV show.
Hmm.
Um, so I was also told the pattern of shoot will be somewhat like movies, and it was very very different. It was beautiful. Just that it was very hectic, like a daily soap. Very, very far more hectic actually because it was Saturday Sunday show.
Right.
I thought that after having this experience, I wanted to work for a few days, take a breather, you know, come
Right.
back to your own environment, choose a next role. So basically, I think movies or web would have been apt, but survival, I think whatever good offer comes my way, be it TV show, be it
Right.
web, be it whatever, as long as it is acting, as long as I'm earning something, and I know this mission is gonna hit. I know there will be a lot of changes. It's not gonna be like before. Rather work than sit at home.
Right, right, right. And you just mentioned about Divya Drishti, and we all know that people, still miss Divya Drishti, your character, Sanaz, Advikarans, everyone they miss. So tell me, how much do you miss, now, because, we have a loads of time to think about our past happy memories. How much do you miss Divya Drishti?
I miss everything about it. Starting from getting excited to get up,
Right.
getting onto the traffic, driving like a female Michael Schumacher, then meeting Sana, Advait, and everybody,
Right.
and starting our day, our little small videos, teasing the monkey, you know, meeting your crew, saying good morning to everyone, screaming, Manda, mera coffee leke aao,
Right.
everything.
Right.
Like literally
Right.
everything, the whole journey. I
Hmm.
really miss everything.
Right. And how has been the, now the bond between, because we, of course, we have seen your interviews, we as a media house were always on the set. So we have seen that you, Naira, Advik, when Karan was there, you people had a great bond. But now that since you people are not working together, how has the bond been?
We still stay in touch through WhatsApp video call or FaceTime call. Advik always makes an effort to call us up. Always. I'm the
Right.
kind of person who likes the face-to-face meeting more than the calls. But yeah, that really because I'm just not a phone person. I'm not a messaging person. I'm not a phone person. I'm more like even when I'm with people, I'm not the one taking pictures and selfies. I never do that. So I'm quite misunderstood. But I miss all of them. It's just that I'm waiting to meet and share my feelings, just reconnect. I
Right,
know we are not
right.
going to hang out in a public place. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be very safe. And these people, Advait, Sana, and everyone, I know they also do not go around on a public basis. So it's very safe to hang out in their homes. And I think we will do something like that. That's how we.
Right, right. Naira, I've also seen somewhere you talking about Divya Drishti 2, and you also mentioned that you might return back, when Divya Drishti 2 happens. So, anything or any update which you want to give on your statement? Nothing.
I'll be
Okay,
the
okay.
happiest person if the Disney 2 is made and I'm cast in it.
Right, right.
I want to know the news. And
Right, right,
tired
right,
of being
right, right.
asked because first I want to get the news before you guys get the news. Yeah, I'm waiting for
Right,
it more than
right.
you.
Right, right. Okay. Nana, we have been getting a lot of comments that, since you have a great skin, someone has just messaged me, what is the routine you follow to make sure that, your skin is in good shape? And so if you can share the routine of your skin.
Honestly speaking, if you guys go to my profile and check out my parents' pictures, you will know how good looking they are.
Right,
So
right.
I've got it from the family. A
Mm-hmm.
and B is I do not indulge much on junk food. I mean, I do. Actually, I will lie if I say I don't because everybody has seen me eat it.
Right.
What I do is, suppose 3 days I'm really hogging on cake. My cakes are still in the fridge. Like I'm still eating a lot of cake every day, and I got a small blister also. But what I do is, if I'm 3 days hogging, the fourth and fifth day I'll only be on liquids. I'll detox. I'll have nimbu pani. And I have noticed whenever I sleep late, like from past weeks, I've been sleeping late. I've been sleeping at 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. I got dark
Right,
circles.
right.
But earlier, when I used to
Oh,
sleep at sharp 12 o'clock, I would automatically wake up at 7:38, and my face used to
mm-hmm.
glow. And so, food, what you're eating, the time you're sleeping, and the kind of stress you're taking, these three really works
Right.
a lot on your body. And Baki,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm a Bengali. It's the food genes,
Yeah.
so that I
Right,
can't
right,
really
right.
tell you what's my food. But I will again repeat what everybody says, what a medical, a dermatologist always says, that you should always clean your face before sleeping. Use a nice moisturizer. Put a skin toner which will close your pores so that no new things goes inside. Take steam
Right.
once in a while so that the impurities, and then again rub eyes and close your pores or use a toner. Sleep on
Mm-hmm.
the, just follow the nature's clock. Day hai to day hai,
Right.
raat hai to raat hai. Follow the nature's clock, and because that is the nature's rule, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So just follow that. I think once you start observing your own schedule, like you try sleeping early for 5 days, and you see the
Mm-hmm.
difference. Then
Right.
you again sleep late. Then you see the difference. Then whatever you're eating, eat similar kind of food for 3 4 days. See how
Mm-hmm.
it is giving a change to your body. Then again, so that's how you
Right.
have to observe. Like I figured
Mm-hmm.
out that if for 1 week I continuously keep hogging, then I don't put on weight, but I get
Mm-hmm.
pimples. So I know
Okay.
that my body 3 दिन से ज़्यादा वो सहन नहीं कर सकता.
Okay. Okay.
So you have
Okay.
to really
ठीक है.
observe.
Right, right. Okay, so there are these three fans. If you can please take their name, Palak, Uday, and Avika. So if you can take their names, please.
Hello, Palak. Hi, Avika. And who's the third one?
Uday, Uday,
Uday or Koday?
Uday.
Uday.
No, Uday, you. Yeah.
Hi, Uday.
Okay, so thank you so much. So, okay, I'll be taking few fans' question. So, the first question is that what is the one thing which you have learned and you're enjoying the most in this lockdown? Any new habit you have formed or you have learned any new thing?
I used to feel very shy when people ask me to sing and stuff. So I have now started recording. As in, I put on Insta. I sang a lot in lives. And
Right.
Baki, everything, whatever I used to have. Cooking! Oh my god, I get it. Cooking. So
Right, right.
I cook decent, but
Mm-hmm.
I hate going into the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Acha,
But
okay.
now I've worked on it.
Okay. Any favorite, any dish which you have cooked and you have really liked, like you have surprised yourself that you can cook so well? Anything which has happened like this?
There is this, it's a Bengali dish. It's called chicken masala.
Mm-hmm.
And it turned
Mm-hmm.
out to be so amazing. I wanted to kiss my own hands. I was licking my own fingers.
Right. Right, right, right. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, it has been, I mean, the four names have been given, and it is said that as soon as I tell you this name, you have to, dedicate one word for this people, whatever comes in your mind. So the first name is Advik.
Daddy!
Okay, and why, if you can tell, why that word? Because people will ask afterwards.
So, daddy, because whenever there's an issue, there is a commotion, our Adhu daddy comes. He's like, what? You guys are fighting this nonsense? You know what? Shut up. You know what? This is your fault. That is your fault. Just go. Disperse.
Right, right. Okay, Sana.
The kid.
Right.
Okay, so
Okay.
she, no, otherwise she's very matured, but for us, she's the kid.
Right, right, right. Okay. Karan.
Monkey.
Okay, okay, okay. Also, yeah, okay. Also, someone has asked, is there any dream character which you want to play sooner or later in your career?
I want to play a naval officer.
Okay,
And
okay.
I want to play a
And
hero.
some, Okay. Someone had asked your favorite actor from TV industry.
See, I have not worked much in TV. I'm not aware
Hmm.
of many actors, so
Hmm.
I can't say.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Right. Okay. 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 Naira, since you have worked in South industry, you have worked in Bollywood, and in TV as well. Has there been any time, when you're working with this, particular actor, and you hota hai na, sometimes an actor gets intimidated and a bit nervous because the actor of such caliber is over there. So something like this has ever happened with you, and if you can please share with us.
Yes, I won't name the actor,
Okay.
but yeah, the sense of nervousness has come when I was in front, and I can
Mm-hmm.
gauge by body language. And what I try to do is I would be over pally so that the person comes, eases up a bit, and then
Mm-hmm.
ask suggestion. How do you want to play this particular scene? That's the way even I know how I'm going to play the scene, and I'm already telling him so that he's prepared. That's my
Mm-hmm.
way.
Right, right. Okay, someone has asked who is your inspiration?
I don't know if I'm inspired by anyone, but I think
Mm-hmm.
Priyanka Chopra is somebody who's a winner. We
Right.
all have seen her journey. We all know where
Mm-hmm.
she is.
Right.
That girl has some power, some belief,
Right,
some
right.
strength in her belief.
Right. Okay. Then I wanted to ask, you have studied something very different. Academically, it's very different what you are doing now. So, can I just ask, what was that moment when you decided to pursue acting as a full-time career and to do this thing for lifetime? So, because that if I go the way you have studied, I don't think acting was something जो पहले से करना चाहते थे. I believe. So, can you tell the exact moment जब आपने decide किया that you wanted to be an actor?
So, I've studied law
Hmm.
and I've specialized in intellectual property rights. Um, so I belong to family of professionals, and this was a rule in my house that you can choose what career you want, but there has to be professional backing.
Right.
Okay, and but whenever I had this vacations and when I did not have my exams and stuff, I took up these
Mm-hmm.
projects. So I got so much appreciation, so many offers, and
Right.
such good feedback that I thought, why not give it a chance? I
Mm-hmm.
anyways have something to back. I've studied. I can always, maybe now I can put this education into some use. I looked it up how.
Hmm.
Because it's an essential study. It is not a fancy study which, like,
Right.
entertainment business will have a lot to
Hmm.
revive. Law will always be there.
Hmm.
So I at least have that backing, and I thought, जब तक शक्ल सूरत है, जब तक offers है, why not give it a shot? And it gave me immense pleasure seeing the pleasure in other people's face. See, if the public is appreciating me, means I'm entertaining. My whole point is entertaining through various roles. And if I've managed to do that, means I'm on the right track. So
Right,
that's
right.
how I
Okay,
thought that let me do it.
right. But Naira, tell me when initially you started, I mean, everyone has had to face, their share of hardships. Okay, so when initially you started and, till now, if I can ask you, what has been the biggest hardship which you have ever faced, and it took a lot of, efforts from your side to overcome that and, then continue working. Is there anything which you would like to share?
All the major offers, which are like
Hmm.
super hit down south,
Hmm.
uh, those offers had come to me, and I had to refuse because I had my exams, and I could not just
Okay.
miss out a law
Hmm.
exam and add it up to the next, because with each semester it's gonna get tougher and tougher. That was the biggest conflict, and it's to really hate that thing. Like, I'm having to miss out on this, but I can't even miss
Right.
out on that. You know.
Hmm.
But okay, that was not my time. This is my time. Now I'm free and now I'm fully focused.
Right, right, right. Okay, someone has asked what has been the fondest memory you have shared with Sana? Like, I'm sure you have shared a lot of memories with Sana, but one memory which always comes on your mind when you think about Sana.
We used to love eating together. Like we both are the only two girls in the entire set who could hog and hog.
Right,
We both
right, right.
have the question of eating from Advik's tiffin and from people's
Mm-hmm.
food and all. So that's one thing I really love. And we used to go home together. Like I used to drop her half the way.
Mm-hmm.
And so that used to be like our time.
Right, right, right. Okay, someone has asked who's your favorite singer?
I like Shreya Ghoshal.
Hmm. She's your favorite singer. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Someone has also asked that just 1 minute. I'll just yeah. Okay. Okay. And it's a weird question. What is your height, Naira? Someone has asked this.
5'4".
Okay. Okay. I also wanted to ask you. After lockdown, is there something which you are going through? Few projects. Can we see you something? Once this lockdown get finished. Anything which you want to say?
So Divyadrishti got over in Feb. I was just
Hmm.
taking my time to recover and take that rest. And I thought by end of Feb
Hmm.
I should be jumping. By 1st of March I should be jumping on some set. And bang bang bang, what
Okay.
happened?
Hmm. 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 Right. Okay.
So,
Okay.
so it's gonna be a
Yeah.
new life.
Okay.
There's nothing I'm gonna jump
Hmm.
on.
Okay. Your favorite dish?
Chicken. Anything and
Okay.
everything. Just chicken.
Okay. Okay. Of all the roles which you have played, what has been your favorite role till now?
Vidya Sharma.
Okay. Okay. Someone has asked, when can we expect Divya Drishti 2? Say to your friends, they are asking. We already told them.
Guys, if I knew, I would have told you. It would be my post, it would be on my story, it would be written over here. I don't
Okay, cool.
know.
Okay. Okay. Who's your favorite person?
My mom.
Your mom. Okay. I also wanted to ask you something. Though you mentioned, what has been your favorite role, but of all the characters which you have played, what has been the toughest for you and the most challenging one for you?
Divya Sharma was not challenging, but it
Mm-hmm.
was tough because I had so many emotions in every scene. It was exhausting.
Mm-hmm.
Every scene I'm
Mm-hmm.
crying, screaming, fighting, running, beating up, using a lot of power, physical, emotional, mental, everything. It
Mm-hmm.
was very exhausting. So Divya Sharma was a tough one, but I did a film called One Night Stand.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, I had to mentally prepare for because I had to
Okay.
play someone who's mature, who's married,
Mm.
who's been with the man for 5 years. You know how I had to imagine how a couple is pre-marriage, post-marriage, that too after a certain period of time. And then I realized that my man is having an affair outside. How do I deal with it? Whether I cry and
Right.
become okay, all right, or maturely handle, or I really take my own work and go out. There was a lot of mental study to do. So I think that was a film which was difficult, which I had to do a lot of homework.
Right, right. Okay. Someone has asked, when can they see coming live with you? Coming live with Sana. Is there any possibility your fans wanted to know?
I came live with Sana once.
I don't know. They are asking. Maybe they want again that you and Sana should come live.
We will definitely come live. She's actually very shy. She hardly comes live. No, it's I've
Okay.
already spoke her. Sana, aaja yaar. Sab log pooch rahe hain. But I'll try
Right.
again. Let's see.
Right. Okay. Okay. Someone has asked, can you say something about your first crush? Who was your first crush? They wanted to know.
My first crush was Salman. The day I realized I
Yeah.
liked him, I just left him. And I had collected some
Right.
112 pictures of him in my
Mm-hmm.
teenage and all.
Okay. Someone is feeling. Okay. Yeah. Someone is saying, "What's your favorite hobby?"
Music. Any day.
Hmm,
Any
hmm,
day.
hmm, hmm.
I like the instrumental. I like the Buddha bar, those kind of music.
Right, right, right. Okay. Someone has asked. 1 minute. Okay. How's your bond with Karan?
Of late, we haven't spoken a lot.
Hmm,
I
hmm,
think he's
hmm.
busy. I'm also busy in my own life.
Right. Okay. Okay. Someone asked, "Do you like Sana?" And if yes, what is the one thing you like about her most?
I love her, and I think she understands my mind. I understand her mind. We just zone so well. Like
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
her mind and my mind really is similar. Like we like the similar
Hmm,
things.
hmm.
We like the similar way. Everything's just same.
Right. Right. Okay. Samana, if you can say any particular word in Telugu.
Wait,
Yeah. Any particular word in Telugu. It's okay. We
Moscow,
can skip.
Moscow.
Uh, okay. And what does that mean? Because
Shut up.
I don't know this. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Take care. Okay. Someone is also read. Please explain your bond with Advik.
I told you he's very daddy like. He's very
Hmm.
I want to irritate him. I want to be the kid around him. I
Right.
want to
Right.
poke him and eat away all his food, then tease him and all. So basically, we all become very childlike in front of him, like because he's the one who's married and who's more serious, and he very seldom shows his naughty part. I mean, very seldom he shows how naughty he is. Masti karna and all that's very rare. So we like to irritate him to show us that side of him.
Right, right, right. Okay, Naira, I wanted to ask you something. We have, whenever we interview actors, they've always share the story. That how when they entered industry, they got a lot of advice that be a certain way, don't be this, don't be that, be like this. So when you were entering this industry, any piece of advice which your parents gave you, which your friends gave you, that Naira, you have to be look like this or be like this, but you said, because I think we had this discussion also, you said that I'm like this also, you're a bit bindas and all that stuff. So any piece of advice which people gave you, but you choose to be yourself rather than following that advice?
Lots and lots and lots and lots.
Hmm.
And I think that has only done damage. Advices from these people are utter bullshit. You are a certain personality. People like
Right.
you for your personality. Do not try to be somebody else. You have a
Hmm.
uniqueness. That's the reason you are liked. Your personality, your face, your everything. That's the reason you're liked. Please continue to be that. So when I was new, a lot of people told me gain weight, you should do this, you should do that, and all the nonsense. That has only worked again.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So I think it's all bullshit. We should not,
Right.
not at all.
Right. And what's the worst piece of advice, someone has given to you? It's okay. You can't, don't take the name, but any worst piece of advice which has been given to you when you were pursuing acting or right now?
So I will tell you about Telugu. Somebody told me Telugu Amma should be like watermelon.
Okay.
Dude, you're comparing this generation with our generation. Which superstar in Telugu is fat like a watermelon? Who? Which superstar? All bullshit ideas. All I should have never listened to all that.
Right, right, right. And there are a lot of notions and stereotypes are attached with this industry. Now, I don't know how much is this true or not because I don't belong to entertainment industry. But it's been said, the pressure of looking a certain way. There is always this one thing that a newcomer should have, his or her fair share of contacts, to be at a certain level. So tell me this one thing. What is this one thing which you have personally faced, and as an actor, as an individual, you would definitely want to see this changing in the entertainment industry?
This is true. There are a lot of people who say that being there at the right time is very important. Now, see, you cannot define which is the right time. Either you have to mentally
Right.
prepare every time is the right time, and you only do right, which
Right.
means you have to really, really train your mind. But that's the best way, honestly speaking. Now, when actually your time comes right and you give up, then again it's not the right time because you're exhausted and you're not
Right.
giving your 100%.
Mm-hmm.
So the right time
Mm-hmm.
is to be right, to be available to shoot, to be ready with your skills, to know your skills very well, and to keep connecting. You never know who is looking out for what kind of role, what kind of character, what kind of personality. You never know
Right.
because you don't
Mm-hmm.
know.
Mm-hmm.
Just be
Right. Right.
available, just be prepared, and
Right.
have
Right.
the
Right. Right.
mind that I'm doing the right thing, and how do I grow every day? What new do I learn every day?
Okay. Someone asked, I'll take the name of this page, Vishal Pandey, biggest fan. And the person is asking, hey, the biggest fan of yours from Nepal. Is there any chances you will be coming to Nepal? Of course, once the lockdown ends, so you'll be coming to Nepal.
I've never been to Nepal,
Mm-hmm.
but as of now, I have no plans to travel. I have no plans to travel anywhere because I just want to be safe and I want to concentrate on reviving my career after this
Right.
lockdown. It's gonna be the stop. So my focus is that. Um, but Nepal is one of my bucket lists for sure.
Right, right. Okay, Isha2392 has asked, how is Naira D's bond with Neha Advik Mahajan?
Very good actually. Now Neha is another kid.
Right.
She is very childlike. In fact, all of us are very childlike around Advik. Any person who lives with Advik will be childlike. So Neha is like a
Right.
baby. She's like same, like pamper me. We all are just same in front of him. So she's a very sweet girl, very talented, and have a very good bond with her. Pretty good
Right,
actually.
right.
In fact,
Okay.
whenever I talk to Advik on FaceTime or WhatsApp, it is not possible that I will not talk to him. We always talk.
Right, right, right. Okay, Nana wanted to ask something. You academic, you are a lawyer. You love to sing. You are an actor. Any other creative field, which you really want to work upon, and maybe one day your fans will see, doing something in that field.
I love decorating homes.
Okay.
I have learned Vastu.
Mm-hmm.
I am. I've learned spiritual stuff from my mom. I want to decorate houses which is Vastu compliant, like the kind of color combinations, the elements. I also want to make my own house, which will be very well decorated according to color scheme and color therapy and stuff like that. So I love decor. If I was not a lawyer or an actor, I think interior designing would be something I would look for.
Right, right. Okay, we'll just take the last few questions. Okay, someone has asked, what's your favorite movie?
Sorry,
Your favorite movie?
my favorite movie.
Favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite movie.
Not now till now.
So
Okay,
what
okay.
happens is when I come across some good song or good film, I always say it's my favorite song, it's my favorite film. But I have many favorites. So I cannot say what is my single favorite.
Right, right, right. Okay, and I also wanted to ask, since we know that once the lockdown is going to end, we are going to accept whatever is there in our plate. But still, as an actor, there is always this something that at a certain point of time, I want to do this kind of work and want to try this particular genres. So, is there any something in your mind that maybe sooner or later you are going to do this characters and you are going to work with this certain people? Is there anything which you want to share?
I want to do a horror thriller, which I did. It's an Indo-British film which I did. It should be coming out this year end or something. Um, I want to do a supernatural, which I did. I really want to do a uniform, which is a naval officer or a lawyer. I want to do something like that.
Okay, okay. Someone has asked, what is your favorite song, and if you can also sing a line of that song.
I don't have a favorite song, yeah.
Okay, just sing any song which you like to sing, any song which you want to dedicate to your fans and you just want to sing.
एक कुड़ी जिदाना मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है ओ साद मुरादी तोड़ी भावत गुम है गुम है गुम है.
That was indeed great. Okay, someone has asked, do you adorable is the name? Will you have a show like Khatro Ke Khiladi and Big Boss?
Now, if I tell them what am I scared of, they will put me with that only. I do want to get over the fear of being scared of lizards. I want to stay away from lizards.
Right, right. No,
So I don't know.
No, no, I'm
Look,
saying
at
you're
this
not
point of
audible.
time,
Can you repeat yourself once again?
if I tell the audience that I am scared of lizards, so in Khatro Ki Khiladi, they will put me with lizards.
Right, right, right.
I don't want to be friends with lizards. I want to maintain the distance and I want to be scared of them.
Okay, I think we'll just do last two. Okay,
Yeah,
we'll just take the last two, three questions and we'll wrap this interview. What has been the toughest scene you have shot in Divya Drishti?
Sorry?
The toughest scene you have shot in Divya Drishti?
So when I was Divyachini, I had to wear those leather pants and leather corsets, and I also had to put what do you call it? Damn it! अरे यार क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वो strings लगा के. Mom is sleeping. I had to be on strings. Okay, I had to wear that suit inside. So it used to be so tight, and the clothes used to be so uncomfortable. And I had to jump on a chandelier. I had to jump on various places. So that was very painful and very difficult. I remember that.
Right.
Harness. I had to be on harness. Wearing those kind of clothes, it was very uncomfortable.
Right. Okay. Okay. I think we'll be taking the last two questions. Yeah. How is Naira as a person?
Exactly the way you see her. I don't think. See, Divya was just more open version of Naira. I'm quite similar. Just that I'm not very loud and very outspoken. I'm little on the reserved side. And I'm far more silent. Very quiet.
Right. Okay. Okay. Has Naira set any personal goals for herself, like not professional, but personally? She want to be at a certain place. After a certain point of time. Something like that.
I really want to travel the world. I want to experience the beauty of the nature. 2 years ago, I had this very deep desire that I become a travel blogger.
Okay.
Just visit, detox myself mentally, just breathe, be away from all this. I still have that in my mind, and at some point of time, if God permits, I really want to travel like a
Right.
gypsy.
Okay. Okay. And taking the last question, what is Naira's biggest fear?
Biggest what?
Fear. Not as lizards and all that thing, on a personal level, I'm asking. Yeah.
Am I scared of anything? Mommy, not that way.
You're fearless, basically.
I can't point out. I'm only scared of girls.
You're always scared of what?
The only thing I'm scared of, I can think of, is lizards. I can't think of a
Okay.
bigger bird. Yeah, maybe. I have communication issues. I don't know how to express.
Okay. Okay.
So whether I'll be able to overcome that and actually make myself very, very effective in terms of communication. That's my fear.
Right. Okay, so Naira, on this note, thank you so much. It was a lovely conversation. Any thing you want to say to your fans, to all the people who are watching this live, anything you want to say to these people?
I hope you guys have realized a lot of new things about yourselves, apart from binge watching and apart from hogging and apart from becoming fat.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I hope you all have cultivated different things, like known new caliber. Life is very uncertain, as all of you know. People don't stay in your life. Situations change. Time comes back. There is always a new time, new beginning, end of a cycle. These things will always keep happening. So I just feel, do not miss out on the present. Make use of the most of what you have today. You never know what you're going to have tomorrow. You might have better, you might have worse. You don't know. So today, को take it for granted mat karo,
Mm-hmm.
and do only those things that keep you happy.
Right,
That's the
right,
therapy.
okay. Right, okay. So, Naira, thank you so much for the lovely piece of advice. And we do hope, once this lockdown ends, we hope to see you in great roles and great mediums. Thank you so much for the live chat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naira. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.